For problems 1 through 3, identify if the scale drawing is a reduction or an enlargement. So reductions get smaller and enlargements get bigger or larger. So if this is the original and this is the scale drawing is bigger than the original, so this is an enlargement. The actual picture is bigger than the scale drawing, so it's shrinking in size, meaning it's getting smaller, so it is a reduction. The actual picture starts small and then the scale drawing is bigger, so that is an enlargement. Number 4 says, using the grid and the abstract picture of a face, answer the following questions. On the grid, where is the eye? The eye is in this box, which corresponds to B in the x-axis and G on the y-axis. What is located in D? H. In this box here, DH, what is in that? And that is the tip of the nose. In what part of the square, BI, is the chin located? So is it in the middle? Is it in the top? Is it in the bottom? I would say the chin is located on the bottom right of BI. 5. Use the blank graph provided to plot the points and decide if the rectangular cakes are scale drawings of each other, and how do you know? So I have the picture already graphed out. It should look something like this on your paper. If you need to, you can pause and make sure your coordinates are in the correct spot. Scale drawings use side lengths that are proportional to one another. So we're going to check the side length here and see if it's the same fraction or ratio as the other side length. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on this one we have 2. So we're going to do 2 divided by 6, and that is equal to 1/3. Now we're going to check the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for the width, we have 6/12, which reduces to 1/2. Those are not equal to each other. So when it says, are they scale drawings of each other? No. The side lengths do not use the same ratio. Another way you could say this is they aren't proportional.